I just got back from a trip, so I'm looking a little like an unsweet pineapple. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm very excited about today's video because I love watching these types of videos. Everything you're going to see me open has been purchased with my own money. None of it is sponsored, but if you would like to be a sponsor, please just let me know. Let's go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, the first one is this huge Ulta box. The first thing I bought was this summer mini travel essentials. I like to buy the mini of things because I like to kind of test things out a little bit before I buy the whole size product. And I love these little like mini travel essentials kits or sample kits because you get to try several things at a really good price. Like this was overall $15 and it is at a $31 value. Cute little makeup bag. Here's the first thing in the bag. The Cover FX mattifying primer. Oh, look how cute this is. This is perfect travel size. This is the Tarte Stay and Spray setting spray. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. The next thing inside, who is the Grand Lips? That must be the brand, is this lip plumper. So that is everything that comes in the Ulta Summer Mini Travel Essentials Kit. I quickly want to address the focusing issue. It gets better as the video goes on, I promise, so please do not leave yet because of the focusing. Give it time. I promise it gets better. Next item. This was an impulsive purchase. I did not need it, but you know, I felt like it was necessary. And it is a Highlight Unicorns by Lime Crime. And this was on sale. That's why I bought it. Honestly, that's why I buy a lot of my makeup products, because it's on sale. And it was unicorn and different, and I don't have a lot of fun, crazy colors in my makeup collection, so I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and buy it. So I did. Happy Land, Frolic, and Daydream. Ooh, they feel really nice. Wow, those are really pretty. They're a lot more subtle. I am absolutely ridiculous. I don't need this much stuff, but you know, when you're quarantined, that's what happens. So this is the Summer Splash Skincare set. I think I got this for less. It was on sale, I believe, for like 20 bucks. But this is at an $83 value, and it has a bonus sample in here, supposedly. It also has a $5 gift card. Here is the bag. So the first little unwrapping I have is this Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. I got this Dermalogica exfoliant. That'll be nice to test out. I love this brand. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. It's another moisturizer. I love the color of this packaging. It's Boscia. It is a cactus water moisturizer. Oh, this is sunscreen. So this is Lancome UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 sunscreen. This is another exfoliating sugar scrub by Tula Skincare. This is a Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare anti-aging cleansing gel. We got ourselves a Juice Beauty, the organic solution green apple peel full strength exfoliating mask. Me and my sister love masks again. And then I got myself a rose water toner from Mama Dad. I don't know what the bonus item was, so I'm guessing it might have been the $5 gift card, which is pretty cool. I mean, free money, can't say no to that. So this is the Summer Splash Skincare. I'm very excited to try all these different products out. I do have another Ulta box. We're gonna open this one up. I purchased a few things. I got the Morphe X Jeffree Star Iconic Bolds 5-piece mini lip collection. And here it is. Oh, girl. I'm so excited. This has the liquid lipstick Unicorn Blood, Red Rum, and the 3 lip glosses Berry Blast, Iconic, and Living For It. Setting spray, but of course this is the Morphe X Jeffree Star, and it has a starberry scent. I got the Morphe X Jeffree Star brushes. Let's go ahead and take a look at those. I love the color pink. I'm so excited. And I already have fabulous brushes that my wonderful boyfriend bought me. And they work like a dream. Like, they're amazing. But I'm very excited to finally own Morphe brushes. So this is a big deal. Now let's move on to Sephora. And then we will do my other packages. One of them, I think I know what it is, but I'm not entirely sure. And the other two are my subscription boxes. So one of the little sample things that I received from my purchase is this Oil and Shine Control Primer from Smashbox. I also got a Transferring Moisturizer Super Cream from It Cosmetics. I also got the Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Microfibers. And I will say, I think it's really neat that Sephora sends you those samples to try out with your purchase, or you can easily just Google a coupon that will allow you to have a skincare sample or a makeup sample, and they'll send you little things like that. Oh girl, I am so excited about these two beautiful palettes. Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes in Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2 and Mini Pro Pigment Volume 3, and I will swatch those for you guys. Purchased this Sephora Favorites Hello Beauty Icon Set. I have seen this all over my Facebook because, you know, Facebook's trying to tell me to purchase things that I don't need. And I finally got it. It's $10 for a $36 or something, but $10 for all that? Are you kidding me, girl? Heck yeah, I'm right up on that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. My dog thinks it's a treat. It is not cookie, it is makeup. So this is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. I got myself another face wash. The next thing I got inside is a Restore Repair Mask by Living Proof. It's a hair mask treatment. Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. A NARS lipstick. I got a Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Bronze Color Contour Multi-Usage. I got a Victor Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. I love having these little mini perfumes for my purse, so I'm very excited about that. And the last thing that comes in the $10 beauty icon set is this 15% off for oh my gosh, there's several of them in here. There's like a 15% off NARS, 15% off. That is neat. Y'all are gonna laugh at me when you see what I bought. Well, first, what do these look like to you? Highlighters, right? These are Moschino plus Sephora liquid markers. They are lipsticks. Again, I will be swatching them for you guys to see. That's it from Sephora. So this is a little bit different. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you will know that I am an ambassador for Pompeii Jewelry. So they sent me 3 jewelry pieces of my choosing, and I am going to show you what I got. No, this video is not sponsored. I said that earlier, but I am an ambassador, so I do want to give them a quick little spiel on why I decided to be an ambassador for them. And the reason I decided to go with that is because I'm a teacher and I like to sometimes spruce up some casual outfits with a little bit of a nice jewelry. So thank you so much, Pompeii. I love it. I'm very excited to wear it whenever I get back into, you know, school, and even for the summer. That's what I love about this. It is not only a little more formal, or at least spruces up some of my outfits, it's also great for a date night, just looking casual to go hang out with some girlfriends, you know, when this quarantine is over. Thank you, Pompeii. I'm very excited to wear my jewelry. Next is my... They did also email me letting me know that the bag was going to be the April edition. That's what I received because they're having issues with the pandemic going on right now, whether it be a shortage of bags, shortage of labor, and that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. They did a great job though compromising me. They actually personally emailed me, or, you know, not personally, I'm not.
Don't flatter yourself, Olivia.
But they did contact me letting me know that I would be getting the April bag, and then they gave me 600 points to pick out an item of my choosing, which I did. So thank you, Ipsy. You guys have great customer service. I've honestly never been disappointed with y'all when it comes to talking to you about a problem in my bag or questions or this specific situation. Their bags are always good quality as well. Look, it matches my nails. That is so cute. I do know what's in this bag because I'm impatient, and you know, when I get the email saying you want to see what's in your bag, I'm like, yeah, I do. So I click on it and then boom, it's right in front of my face and I just can't look away. This is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I think it's by Seraphine Botanicals, the Murad Essential C Day Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors like the sun. Okay, Mud Masky Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. Woo! This is Autobalm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. So this is a blush in the shade Girl Powder. The Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. And that is it in my Ipsy bag. Again, if you want me to do a whole try on, I will be happy to do so. Just let me know and I will get on that. We have made it to the last box. All right, let's open it up. Oh. Usually I open this box up before I record so I know what's inside, but this time we're reacting together. I'm not gonna read the prices of everything. I'm not gonna read the descriptions for everything because that would take too long and your girl's not patient enough to go through all that. So we're just gonna show off the products. Again, if you guys want a little bit more of an in-depth video, I will be happy to do that for you guys. So we got ourselves, now that's cool, a dry makeup brush cleaner. The next item in the box is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Look at this. The next item in the box, it's like an energy drink for your eyes. It's a Grace and Stella eye mask. Oh, cool. This is a skin booster by NAC Y2. No, this is a skin booster. It defends you from the pollution. 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. I have never heard of this. And the last item in my box, Bronzed in Paradise. Oh, here's what the packaging looks like. How pretty is that? Well guys, that is it. I really enjoyed filming this for you guys. I really enjoyed opening up the products with you guys. If there are any products in here specifically that you want to see a tutorial on or you want to see me use, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Or if you want me to go more in depth with any of the boxes, such as the Ipsy box or the Boxycharm. I am also going to give another shout out for Pompeii Jewelry. Please make sure you go and check out their website. They got lots of great jewelry out there. You can buy the products that I have. I'll put their Instagram as well as their website down below so you guys can go check it out for yourself. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this and other videos that I have planned in the future. I have a couple series in the motion right now, so I am working on that. I love you guys so much and I will see you all in the next video.